Drugs bunny, I like it, I like it. Philosophical, It's a deep, yes. But also commercial. You know, the kids will like it. Who's the artist? I mean, I really think we ought to get her in here right away. We don't want to miss this opportunity. We need something fresh. You know what I mean? I know. Well, I like the concept. You know, it's the best thing I heard lately. It's the best thing you pulled in. I know Doris is good for nothing. She brings nothing in here. I swear to God, we gotta get rid of him. I can't with him. I know. We'll get this kid in here. What's her name? Madison? Okay, whoever the hell she is, just get her ass in here and let's have a meeting already, okay? I don't want to hear more about this drug bunny character. I need a win. Okay, Coco, get her ass in here. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Means a lot, you know? I mean, I've been busting my ass over here, but it's like, it's hard to come by that good old-fashioned talent, you know? The genuine article. All right, we'll send her over. Not after 4. I got things to do. Important things, Coco, okay? All right, I look forward to meeting the young artist and drugs bunny. Yeah, I'll see you at lunch. Okay, goodbye.